This week, we're highlighting some quick navigation and selection shortcuts in Excel. You can use Control plus A to select all the data at once. You can use Control plus End to quickly get to the last cell, or Control plus Home to get to the first. Additionally, Control plus the arrow keys will move you to the right, bottom, left, or top of the data from the cell that you are in. You can use Shift plus the arrow keys to move and select specific cells. Adding Control plus Shift plus the arrow keys will select all the cells below, above, to the right or left of the cell that you are in. You can even move back and forth between tabs in your file by using Control, Page Up, and Page Down.